Hi guys, it is me because I'm playing Supreme Dualistic Man 4-player mode with 3 hard CPUs. Guys, I just checked and the CPUs I play with is only one hard CPU and the others were easy. So I changed them to hard. The weapons are random and now we start. Because also I have enabled the guitar weapon now. I just enabled it now, so don't be surprised when you see how did I just die from the local. I have time to talk. Because I was just playing double trouble mode with a hard CPU, and I saw that the guitar was so amazing. Like the pink guitar, I had the pink guitar, two pink guitars. I threw them at the CPU, headshot, and I won. He had full health, literal full health. But he was in the border of the map. You see, the isolation map. If you don't know the names, and how can I tell you? I don't understand. The isolation map has a boundary. You guys, you can see now. Long as I was literally at the boundary, and then he was at the boundary. Actually, not me. As he was at the boundary, so I just had two guitars and I threw them at him. Why am I stuttering so much? I threw the guitars on him and then he died. Because the guitars did so much damage and I died. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna be right back. Don't worry guys. Let me take this call. It's important. Yeah, so guys, I'm back. Sorry for the minor disturbance. Also, well, the round somehow glitched and it ended. So I have to reset it, guys. If calls come, don't blame me, please. It's not my phone and it's not my fault. Guys, if another call comes, bro, I'm seriously gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna pause the video and attend it once more. Because what else can I do? It's not my phone, bro. And I don't even know who that actually is. Did I win? No. Oh, bro, stop. How the heck? Okay, now. I must be dead now. Oh, how did bro stand into the third layer of outer space? That was funny, actually, you know. Oh, don't you die. Just die. I'm gonna get my revenge. Why did you turn my weapon so small? Okay. And makes sense. I'm playing. But I can for sure do this. And I'm still holding it. Nah guys, how does this dude have 2 points? You're not allowed to have 2 points. Only I can have. Because I'm good. No. No, man. Wait. I think I can win this. It's easy. So, what is happening to bro? On his own and I'm dead too. Wait, bro helped me. Thank you, bro. I don't know why I killed him. Because bro helped me after he died. Or maybe it was just a coincidence. Yeah. I'm literally going down. Okay, smashed it on his head. Okay, nobody down, okay? Nobody come down. It's only him alive. Okay, it's okay. Okay, I got another chance and I win. Because I'm the best. Oh my god. Oh my. What did the world has happened there? The only words I was able to say were oh My and God. Okay, go away. Just have they? I think they have updated the katana because it wasn't like this yesterday. Because that's the time I played Supreme Dualistic Man the last year, guys. The only time I played today is while recording, and that's it. Now only one. Not to be the time, but I'm gonna get my revenge. Okay, I couldn't. I got revenge on somebody else. Oh no! Looks like somebody got away. I win. I win. I win. I win. I win. I win. I am the winner. I am the winner of this game. No. No. Yes. Oh yes. Yes, I won. Guys, whoever gets 10 points first wins. Okay, what the hell? Why am I so huge? Why am I so huge? Stop teleporting me, you stupid. Okay, I'm level 40 at least now. You can see I'm level 40. Yes, have I even gotten a guitar in this entire match? I don't think so. I think the game just likes my opinion of weapons. And so it was like, nah, we ain't giving the guitar though. And I got an atom. Because this dude was like, I will take revenge from you. And I was like, nah, let me just Uno reverse you. Okay, bro, did take revenge actually here. Guys, revenge, bro. Why do I keep taking revenge with the wrong guy? Please, pink. If it just would have been pink, I would have won right there. Die, die, die. Everybody die. No, I win. I am 8. I have 8 points. Now move out of the way. Yes, I took my revenge finally. Guys, I need 1 point. And I got the flashlight. That means I'm gonna win. Probably. Let's just see if that's true or not. Stop. I think I should stop using the brainwash. Okay, please let me. I was expecting an ad actually. Why do I keep checking the time? Because I'm gonna do a live stream when I get 50 subs. Because that's how many you need. Yes, I won, guys. You can see 10 points. Now, guys, I have got 10 points, but destroying them one more time would be good. Just if I lose here, man. Don't lose. Get a hold of him. No, I would have. Okay. No, guys, I need to destroy them. Now get destroyed. Okay, I was the one who got. Guys, that's it for today. I am level 40. I have created 2 maps. The first is bounce, which you can see. It's extremely laggy because all of these things. And they can enter, so this is the top is the safest place to be. And the second map I have made is gravity. Wait, no. I chose gravity, bro. Gravity, yes. So guys, when you go, this just kinda happens. But wasn't that like satisfying? Let me just do it once more. That's the bounciness. That is just no, it's gonna fall on me. No. Okay. I also keep testing the types of. What is this thing? Up. Wait, this keeps going up. Wait, no, it's like this. I'm gonna erase both of these. No. I prevented it from falling. But I'm gonna make it fall because I have a... Wait, don't fall. Don't fall here. No. Okay. I fell too. Boom. Now guys, what does this thing do? It goes the other way, okay. Guys, that's it for today. Yep guys, I'm going. Love you all guys. Bye bye.